Well, it all starts with a simple idea, but you also need to know your market, your competition, your target audience. Then you're stuck with your feasibility check. Then you also need to know your strategy. You have more than one idea, you also need to maintain them into gallery. That's why I'm introducing the Idea Hub, which can turn your ideas into insights very instantly using AI. The Idea Hub is a repository for your ideas, your startups, your ventures, your projects that you can turn um, into insights and you don't have to lose them again. It's very simple. You can describe your idea. AI does the analysis, gives you analysis. You can start by adding one idea. It's so simple. There are AI inspirations as well, which can help you if you find it difficult to start with an idea. For instance, we are starting with the home device starter, which offers affordable and easy to install solution for energy saving and home automation. Um, it asks you a couple of questions. You can clarify them to give you more details. You can still go ahead and ask if you want additional features. Once you're satisfied with what you would like to have in your idea, you could start your analysis. All you have to do is click on Start Analysis, and it will instantly start um, performing the research agents, which do market analysis. Here, if you can see, there is market size. There's market size over time, how your idea has been, your market has been doing since last 5 years. You could also understand your market segments to have an idea about your target audience and your serviceable address market. You can also know your competition pretty well and what is the impact of any market trend is out there. You can also check your feasibility, your strategy to go to market, and that would be like everything that you need at one place. Not just that, you could also go to this dashboard assistant and ask like, what is your pattern of ideas that you'll be researching about? For instance, here you can see that I am mostly using tech and AI, um, but then it tells me about what to look next. An interesting fact is that sometimes AI wouldn't give you a desirable output, but you can use Copilot Assistant to just tell, hey, can you fix that idea for me? And it will fix for you. You can also ask, like, hey, could you change my display name to this? So everything can be controlled by Copilot Kit Chat UI. You could also ask if you don't know what is this idea about. You could just like ask in Copilot Kit. You could also go to transaction history, analyze your pattern, analyze your activity. There's beautiful dark and light mode as well. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Thank you.